Okay.
Look, Mommy.
Okay.
First.
Oh, that's a great egg. Right?
Chips.
Oh, it's cold. Okay. We'll start over here. Oh, I think we need a basket. Oh, yep.
This one?
Yes, get that one so you can drive. Got it?
Yeah.
Where's Axel? Come this way. Start in this row first.
Okay, so look, there's like these kind of like it's not Pringles, but it's like this looks good. Can we have this?
We had that one before.
We had this one. We had this one before and it tastes so good.
What's that?
The purple one?
Oh, hot and sour braised chicken feet.
So chicken
Ooh.
feet. This chicken feet. I think we should try this one.
Sure.
Guys, we should try this one.
Yeah.
Let's try this.
No, that's the same. What is this one?
This
Italian meat flavor? No, thank you. No. Yep, we had that one before.
Yeah. We had this one before.
Yeah, you can put it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, I like the color
How
of
about
the
this one?
chips.
And how about this one?
Yeah, let's.
Maybe not this one.
No, not this one. I approve this one. This one.
Ooh, I like that one.
I hope it's one.
What about this one? Mexican chicken tomato? Oh, what about this one?
This one.
Let's do that one.
This one?
Squid? Yeah, let's do that one.
It's so cool.
That's
squid. We just got here.
Yeah, we got it. It's too much.
Look, we just got here and look how much chips we have.
Where we got this one? Oh, we only need 2 pieces. I'm so sorry. Ooh. This one?
Enough with this aisle. We have two.
I want this one. Well, I told you go get a card. That rolls. Oh, I don't think there's another.
There is.
No, they took it. Oh, it's right there. She doesn't know. Oh, you need to help Axel. Go ahead. Go. Thank you. Perfect.
Okay, we got another one because we got too much. This one is full.
Yeah, let's keep it moving.
Guys, how about we get out of this aisle?
Let's look here. What does that say? Honey twist snack? No, what do you think about that?
I don't know.
Taco chips?
We'll look back at this. Taco chips. Look at taco chips.
Let's get it.
Okay, we're gonna Axel. Look at this.
Oh, these are like cheese.
This is spicy.
Oh, we have to get the shrimp.
Shrimp. Where is it? I think I saw it.
You saw the shrimp pack? Oh yeah. Not wait. I want to get. What's that? No, is that spicy?
No.
No, I like this one.
We're gonna see.
I like this one.
Okay, we're gonna get this one.
I want to. What's this up? Oh.
Look, there's seaweed chips.
ones, Axel?
So there's. Can I show?
Mm-hmm.
So there's this one, this flavor, the red one. Then this was chocolate. This one is vanilla, and then this one's strawberry. I think I didn't get chocolate. Oh, that's so big. This is full of
Look at the different Oreos. You just got a little one. Cream flavor. Oh yeah, the chocolate one for you. Axel, you want the strawberry one? Strawberry? Axel wants strawberry. You can take this one out. You want chocolate too? If you get this one, then you can. It'll be like a gift card. Thank you.